Hello guys, Pixel 8 Pro is here to change the way we interact with technology. Imagine a world where your phone becomes more than just a communication tool. It becomes your personal assistant, your health companion, and your gateway to endless possibilities. It will definitely please you to hear that the upcoming Pixel 8 Pro is now set to feature an infrared thermometer on the back, housed right under the circular LED flash inside the camera hub. The thermometer will unsurprisingly be able to measure your body temperature. The sensor is apparently similar to what most contactless thermometers use. To use the Pixel 8 Pro thermometer sensor, you need to bring it as close as possible to your forehead without letting it touch your skin. Then you simply tap the start button and move the phone toward your temple within 5 seconds. The phone will vibrate when the temperature measurement is completed. Guys, see how easy to use it. When considering the fact that the screen is on the other side of the phone, the one not facing you in this scenario. It does not sound like an amazing user experience for sure, but when the next pandemic hit, you will be able to prepare to scan everyone around you with no extra hardware required aside from your Pixel 8. Guys, this earth-shattering new feature will only be available on the Pro model by the way, so don't think to go for vanilla model Pixel 8. Guys, the Pixel 8 Pro is expected to be unveiled alongside the Pixel 8 in October, and they are both rumored to be powered by Google's own Tensor G3 chipset. Guys, the Pixel 8 Pro screen is reportedly going to be smaller than the Pixel 7 Pro at 6.5 inches, and it is said to use Samsung Big Set ISOCELL Gen 2 sensor for its main camera. So guys, this was all about Pixel 8 Pro, and we shared very amazing updates about iPhone 15 as well. Go and check out that video as well, and at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.